Good day, everyone. Today, we delve into the art of effective oral presentation, a skill crucial not only in academic and professional settings but also in our day to day interactions. Let's explore the key elements that contribute to a successful oral presentation in mastering the art of oral presentation presented by Group 1. What is oral presentation?
An oral presentation is a short talk on a set topic given to the tutorial or seminar group. In an oral presentation, one or more students give a talk to a tutorial group and present views on a topic based on their readings or research.
Do you know there are four skills that persona should have in an oral presentation, and here are the following. Every persona has an importance, so I'll call students to answer it. Supporters or relator, analyzer or thinker, promoter or socializer, controller or director.
Let's discover their meanings and importance. Let's start with the first, the supporter or relator. This persona supports the speaker's point of view, experiences, or even emotions.
It plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality, credibility, and engagement of the presentation.
Second, the analyzer thinker, a personality type or style of thought distinguished by an affinity for logical thinking, critical analysis, and the systematic method to problem solving.
It plays an important role in ensuring a balanced communication style, ensuring accuracy, depth, and strategic insights, and effectively addressing the diverse audience perspective.
Third, the promoter or socializer. The person or an organization in charge of organizing and marketing event, cause, product, or any idea in order to generate interest, support, and participation.
It plays important parts in oral presentations by bringing energy, enthusiasm, interpersonal skills, and the ability to connect with the audience.
Lastly, the controller or director. The person in charge of supervising and managing the activities, operations, and decision making with an organization, project, or team. It is essential for orchestrating a well organized, coherent, and engaging presentation.
Their roles include coordination, timing, seamless transitions, audience engagement, and dealing with unexpected situations, all of which contribute to the presentation's overall success.
How important is Aristotelian rhetorical triangle?
Aristotle taught at his Aristotelian rhetorical triangle that a speaker's ability to persuade an audience is based on how well the speaker appeals to the audience in three different areas: the logos, ethos, and pathos. Considered together, these appeals form what later rhetoricians have called the rhetorical triangle. So, what is logos in your own word?
Logos is like a reasoning where evidence and facts to support one's claim. In short, it is a knowledge.
That's right. How about ethos?
Ethos is an establishing trust and authority with the audience, also known as credibility.
Correct? And pathos?
Well, pathos is the ability to connect with the audience's emotion, values, and beliefs, are also known as emotional effects.
So that's how the Aristotelian rhetorical triangle explained. So let's proceed to another topic, which is the presentational style.
So, what is a presentational type? Kindly read, Soliano.
A clear and organized speech style is used to present information, ideas, or content to an audience with the goal of educating, informing, or persuading them.
There are four types of presentational types. Please state their names and give their meanings for each type of presentational type.
Informational type. It is a speech or presentation designed to provide the audience with new and useful information, facts, or insights on a specific topic.
Instructional type, it refers to a specific style or method of delivering instructions or educational content. It describes how information is presented to an audience in order to facilitate learning or understanding.
Persuasive type. It is a common communication style or approach aimed at convincing or influencing the audience to adopt a specific viewpoint, take a specific action, or change their beliefs, attitudes, or behaviors.
Inspirational types. It refers to a speaking style or a type of speaker who aims to inspire and motivate their audience in order to instill a sense of enthusiasm, determination, or positive change in their listeners inspirational speakers.
To summarize all the lessons for today, is an oral presentation requires an effective communication, structured content, and engaging visuals. Remember that every presentation is an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise and then make an impression. You can improve your oral presentation skills and confidently share your ideas with the world with practice, preparation, and a commitment to continuous improvement. So, thank you so much and have a great day and goodbye.